Thanks, Dr. Postel. You know what? It could be a rough start to the holiday travel season if your hoopty is not ready to get on the road. You can see how Mother Nature treated earlier travelers in Denver, dumping snow on their cars before they even hit the road.
Mother Nature plans to do it again ahead of Thanksgiving, and that can mean some of the 55 million people expected to hit the roads and skies could get stuck in a messy situation. Well, the key to surviving any trip, but especially during the holidays, is planning ahead.
There have been plenty of travel tales spoiled by a car that just won't start, or perhaps children running amok in the back seat. The Weather Channel is here to try to help you avoid some of these travel troubles.
We have an expert for that, and she is Lauren Fix, the car coach. Lauren, thanks so much for joining us. So we have been putting off some maintenance, so if we haven't, but it's travel time. Where do we start to get back on track?
Well, no matter where you're going, it's always best to carry a snow brush. Now, if you're sitting in an SUV, like I'm sitting in a brand new 2019 Volvo XC90, it's a little different, but it's tall. What do? Get a decent snow brush. This is a snow brush with an extension. On the other end, there is an ice scraper. You can buy these in any big box store or mass merchandiser. The key is you want to get the snow off the roof of the car and the sides and the ice, especially off the glass. Keep in mind that if you leave that snow up there, you can actually get a ticket because it can fall on the vehicle behind you. You can also blind yourself. So do the smart thing. Also, carry an emergency kit. I sell these on my website, but the key thing to this is a decent emergency kit you should have. Try and get some Velcro on the bottom or add that to the one you have. A tire inflation product. If you have no idea how to change a flat tire, again, you can buy those at any mass merchandiser store. Flare alert. There's LEDs like this one, or one that actually has a recharger in it, because if it's stuck on the side of the road, the car is probably not running and everyone's on their cell phones, including the kids. Also, another thing to carry with you is, of course, gloves, a set of boots, because, you know, if you're going dressed for Thanksgiving or to a business meeting, you're probably not going to have this. A scarf, of course, things that you would need. That's just for the vehicle itself. For the car or the transportation that you're using should be checked by a certified technician.
Okay, Lawrence, let's say the car is okay for the road. We're on the road now. So how should we break up the trip? When we should start taking kind of breaks to hopefully stay alert as we drive?
My rule of thumb is every 2 hours, especially if you got children, get out of the vehicle, let them stretch their legs. Otherwise, they start getting cranky. Also, as we used to say, the potty stop, you know, whether you've got an SUV or whatever. Because if you go every 2 hours, you say, this is your chance. My mother used to say, never pass up this opportunity. You can fill in the rest of the words. Because if you didn't, that's, of course, you get back on the road. I need to go, another stop. And all those stops can be calculated. And, of course, it's a great way to keep the family happy as well.
All right, Lauren Fix, the car coach, thank you so much for joining us again and giving us those very helpful tips on the road.